Hey guys, I came to give you advice of the love of your life. Spend your time with your family too, and spend time with your friends also. But don't waste your time. Spend your time with your girl's fine. She's fine. Oh, she's fine. She's just fine. Oh, she's fine. She's fine. Probably she's fine. Cause it's fine. Because it's fine. To get out with strangers. Because you get killed. And also spend time with your friends and family. But mostly spend time with your family. But don't waste your time and spend your time with the girls. Fine, she's fine. Oh, she's fine. She's fine. Oh, she's fine. But mostly don't hang out with strangers when they ask you where do you live? You say nothing and you go away. Cause they might catch you and rob you every day. And mostly that it is not okay for you. So I'm asking you to spend time with your friends and also your family, and mostly, don't waste your time too much with your friends, and spend some time with your girlfriend. It's fine, she's fine. Oh, she's fine. The girl is fine. The girl is fine. The girl is flying away. Ooh, 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 Mama. Dun, 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 dun. Da 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 da. Now now you must spend time with your girlfriend and also your family and friends. But don't waste your time. Spend too much time with your friends and spend some time with your girlfriend. Check on her. If she's fine, she's fine. Oh, she's fine. Check on her. She's fine. Oh, she's fine. Oh, she's fine. Oh, she's fine. She's fine. Oh, she's fine. Oh, she's fine. Oh, check on her. She's fine. She's fine. She's fine. But always check on her. She is fine.